common problem that lots of people have when thinking about using their car as a camper is this little step here. I have it in my Zafira, my wife has it in her Micra, and I think quite a lot of cars have the same problem too. So what I want to do in this video is show you a couple of the solutions that I've found over the years, but also I want to test something I've bought from Temu, and I want to test a super simple solution as well. And the first thing I'm going to show you is actually the thing that I use the most, and that is this sun lounger. Now this sun lounger has worked out to be absolutely perfect. It's the perfect size to fit this gap. There's storage room underneath, and with a foam on top, it's actually as comfortable as my bed. But what is really important about this solution is that it is a no build solution. And actually everything I'm about to show you is also a no build solution. Now over the years we've tried lots of different sun loungers, but this one is the only one that has actually worked the way we wanted it to. The problem with other ones is where the legs sit. So when you're looking at sun loungers, what you need to look at is the measurements for the legs. And what makes this one so perfect is that it doesn't have a leg up the top end. So the only legs are actually within this boot space. But depending on the size of your car, then this one may not be good, but it's just the idea of looking at sun loungers as a good solution. But what I want to do now is to show you our couples car camping setup. Now what we use for our couples car camping setup, well that's slightly odd, and that is this. So this is actually a B&Q garden shelving unit. All we've done is cut the legs to fit the size of the step, and then simply put the foams on top, and boom, you have another very comfortable bed. There's more than enough room for two of us in here, and importantly, once again, you have storage underneath. Now what's handy with this solution is that you can use them lengthways like I do, or you could use them widthways like this. This is the first time I've actually tried this solution in the back of the Micra, and actually it's a perfect fit. I mean, the legs are slightly higher because they've obviously been cut for the Zafira, but the fact it's higher means all you need to do is to put some kind of cushion in the gap to raise it up. So this might actually surprisingly work quite well. I think you can see just how well these fit and work, and actually as far as couples car camping goes, this is the only solution that we use. But now we move on to the third solution, and that's actually what I bought from Temu. And as you can tell, I haven't even opened it yet. And there you go, this is Temu's solution to that problem. Now for the Zafira, as you can see, it is too small. It's not high enough basically, but I've still put the foam on and we'll see if it works or not. Well, it kind of works, and I just put my entire massive body weight on it and it didn't blow up and it's not leaking, so that's not bad for a Temu find. But I mean, if my step wasn't as high, this would work, but I can test it in the Micra as well. Well, it's actually a perfect fit for the back of the Micra, both size and height. It's almost like it was built for it. But Mrs. Hobbies has just taken a look and she's noticed the one problem with this and the shelving unit in the back here is that you lose storage, because she's only been sleeping on one side, but you can buy half-size version of these. I chose the long one because I thought that would be better for us. But if we have the half size in there, then she can sleep on one side and she's still got the whole other half the side of the boot for stuff. And that leads us to the fourth and final thing, and to be honest, it's probably the thing you would have tried first, something you've got to hand, and interestingly something that I've never tried, and that is sofa cushions. Well, clearly these do work really well, and the massive advantage of using these for car camping is the fact you will already have them, so you can literally just drag them off your sofa, chuck them in the boot of your car and head off car camping. Well, as always, I hope you found this video useful and that it's possibly given you some ideas as to how you can solve this problem. So, until next time, take care.